everyone, love Ada. I want do nyánsh. My nyánsh too small. If you see the way my nyánsh dey, nobody will know they use am. They cost me. I don't make that attempt before. I don't go hospital, do tests, do everything. When I want do am, I come here say person buy for Europe where go do nyánsh. Fear, I can't fear. This one too, I don't already do everything. I don't pay my money down. I can't hear say this lady now, they give am injection. They never even do the nyánsh for her. He can't buy. I can't fear. My body can't shake me. I no can know what I go do. Now make me I say, make I come. Here, come narrate my story. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching me from. This is Love Ada Family True TV. In case you are coming across my video for the first time, oh yeah, enter. Yes, I have come today to tell you a story about my life. I am not too tall. I'm not of average height, so I will say I'm a short girl. Very slim, but I know I am beautiful. A lot of people misunderstand my nature, my stature. When they look at me, you will not know that I'm already 40. Love Ada, I'm looking like as if I'm 20 years. If see my picture I sent to you and watch me, I am a pretty girl. But I can't look, say, when I don't grow up, when I did 20 years, when people they come, will say they won't marry me, they laugh, say I never enjoy life. I can't say, make I enjoy life. My younger sister, wait for me, he marry. My two younger sisters, they wait, they tell me, I say me they marry, now me be first daughter. The thing where they pay me be say, as I finish my school, come out. I no fit get work. I can't begin the sell. After I can't go learn work. As this work why I learn, I know they even use and they feed myself. To feed myself, na problem. If I find people who I go work for, I can't card because of it, go enter big church. People they give me, but no be. Na me they beg for people where they give me. Cloth make I sew for them. And I sabi so. But I don't know what is happening. Now it make me, I am desperately in need of my husband. Honestly. Before if husband come, I know they like make I marry people who are senior. Now my junior they come to me. Now married men they come. And these married men where they come now widower. Some of them go come. Their condition they too much. Love Ada. I don't know what to do. I can't say make I come here, come ask una say, waiting happen. Why I can't decide say, maybe because I no get nyánsh. So I won't go do nyánsh. I don't first go, pay for where I go do nyánsh finish. I can't hear say, person won't go do nyánsh. The person buy for Europe. Fear can't let me go. This time again, I have paid and did everything. I can't hear say only injection. Now they give to this lady. He can't buy. I can't they ask una say, my people, make I still do this nyánsh. I be you think say na sign. Now God they tell me say if I do am say I go buy. Please, me una no curse me. I am a desperate woman who